Make we face reality. Naija and the world dey for one junction. Why Nigeria politicians dey shift chairs for Abuja, Middle East fire don push oil reach $100 per barrel, and the vibration people dey feel am for petrol station. But no be only fuel matter dey ground for today. Even the US Embassy for Abuja just drop alert warning every citizen to stay sharp as tension rise for the federal capital for today Friday. The government claim say we don finally turn the corner for this Nigeria economy. Welcome to Pidgin Point News, and I been a person. My name na Lady BK, and today we not just dey cut corner through the noise, but to give you the real executive Koko when they happen. So make I no waste una time, no long talk, make we enter the matter. But before I go forward, subscribe to this channel, press the notification button so that anytime I bring update, you go be the first person when you go first see am. We go start from INEC. The Independent National Electoral Commission don officially move the 2027 presidential election to January 16, 2027. But opposition parties like the ADC and NNPP, where PDP come dey for this one? Abi PDP not be opposition party again? Anyway, make we go forward. Don already holler demanding an urgent review of the Electoral Act 2026 to ensure transparency for the election. The ADC don also criticize President Tinubu on top the diplomats of this ambassadors, 65 of them, saying the move not reach to represent Nigeria well for global stage. For that one, they right. Even to tackle our national grid when it don't collapse already. But President Tinubu, he inaugurates an 11 members committee to manage the new grid asset. So for this week for insecurity, yesterday, the service chief led by CDS General Christopher Musa, he briefed President Tinubu for Villa. He talked about the renewed onslaught for the north, where terrorists don dey attack military bases and kill commanding officers. But good news dey also as troops rescue 19 kidnapped victims for communities around the FCT. Then kill one of the bandits for the process. This one go carry us go the southeast. DSS they confirm say they arrest one suspect for ESN commander and an IPO member for Enugu over attack on security forces. My people, the world they move fast and a lot of things they happen. This period, person not gonna know where he want turn his face to. Anyway, make we come to the light side of the news for today. Our sister, when her name be Angelique Kidjo, in future Davido, and the other Nigeria star where her name be Starry Star for her new album. wey dem call am Hope, and di album go drop April 24. Filmmaker wey im name be Kule Afolayan don cry out say diesel too cost and the price of fuel dey kill businesses for Nigeria. Im tok say im dey spend 11 million monthly just for power for his film village. So my pipo, dis Sunday something dey happen for Nollywood. So on the 15th of March, dem get their 98th Academic Awards. Nigeria don dey ready to watch if our star go shine for Nollywood biggest night. Federal government don start to dey repair Carry Bridge, Lagos Ibadan Expressway. So my pipo, make una dey expect partial closure and heavy traffic. E go dey for the next 2 weeks. Dis na the reality of our world today. From the boardroom for Abuja to the oil market for the Middle East, the decision wey dem dey make dey affect every Nigerians. But before I go, I get one question for una. Dis one na the question. With INEC shifting the 2027 polls to January, una think say the opposition party ready to give APC refight, or dem just dey hala for empty space? Dis one na my question for today. So make una leave una answers, comments for the comment section, and I dey there and I go answer every one of una. So na here we go end the news today. Make una stay safe.